Are you looking for branded service tips to maximize and boost your earnings? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different paid service sites, and one of my favorite sites is called Branded Surveys, but I've also seen some people not getting the most out of it because they are not aware of certain ways to maximize your earnings. So therefore I decided to record this video where I will show you 4 easy ways to boost your earnings on branded surveys. So before I log in and show you these ways and tips to boost your earnings, I just want to make it clear that this is not a full tutorial and review. I have that on my website. I'll leave a link to that below so you can find that. Here instead, I want to focus on these ways to maximize your earnings because I've seen a lot of people actually overlook these. Also, I just want to clarify that branded service is only available if you live in the US, UK or Canada. If you do not live in one of these countries, you cannot join this platform. So I also just wanted to clarify that. But let me now log in and then I will show you these 4 ways to boost your earnings. So the first very important thing to be aware of when it comes to branded service, right? The main way to earn is of course by taking paid service, but many people overlook what's called Branded Elite, and this is this rewards program they have where the more service you take, the more you will actually earn. Because you can see here, for example, that once you just take like 2 surveys or more per month there, you get a bronze membership there, and you can see then here when you then take more than 12 surveys per week there, you get a 5% bonus. So on every single survey you take, you will actually get a 5% bonus. And then once you reach the silver membership level there, you will do that when you're taking more than 10 surveys per month. Then you can see here you can even earn up to a 14% bonus. And when you reach the gold membership here, you see you can earn up to 19% bonus for the service you take. And many people are not aware of this, and if they just put in a little bit more effort, then all the service they would take would give them a lot more. You can see even up to 19% bonus. So being aware of this Branded Elite is the easiest way to boost your earnings, because branded service already pays quite decently for the service compared to many other service sites. But then when you get these bonuses, then you can see then it can really maximize and boost your earnings. Another great way to earn some bonuses on branded service is by using the leaderboard. You will automatically participate here just by taking paid service, because they have a daily leaderboard, they have a weekly and a monthly. And you can see here, for example, daily there, the ones that earns the most here, for example, will get 50 points, and 50 points is worth 50 cents there. And then they also have random selected winners there every single day. There you can see there are a lot of people that will get these 50 cents there every single day, so it's not that hard to actually end up getting it there. And this is also why you need to just look at it and say like, okay, sometimes you maybe be close, so just taking a few more service will get you there and give you that extra bonus. Some people forget to keep an eye on that, but if they then just took 1 more survey, they would get a great bonus. And this also gives you a good idea. You can see, for example, some of the top earners today at the time of recording this anyways. Here, this person earned more than $20 just by taking paid surveys, so it has a quite good earning potential. And then you get these bonuses that we just talked about from Branded Elite, and then you will also get these points there. And then also if we go down, you also have a weekly leaderboard. You can see here, for example, you can earn up to 200 points bonus. That's a $2 bonus there. You see this person here has almost earned $100 this week so far. Monthly leaderboard here also 300 points bonus. Random selected winner also gets equivalent of $10 there. So you can see there are some really great bonus opportunities here. You do not as such have to do anything extra to participate in these leaderboard contests there, but just by being aware of them, then sometimes, as mentioned there, taking a few extra service can push you into the top list there and make sure you then get a really great reward. So just keeping an eye on these leaderboards there is definitely also something I recommend. Another way you can earn more is by inviting friends. Most service sites actually have a referral program, and Branded Service also has this. So you share an invitation link and then you will get points and they will also get points when they get these higher membership levels. They have a full guide where you can go there and see exactly how much you will get when they get to the next membership levels, and at the same time they will actually get bonuses, so you can see that it's an advantage for them also. So if you really like Branded Surveys, either the website or the app, it also has apps both for iOS and Android devices, so it's easy to take surveys on the go. Then you can share that invitation link with others and then potentially also really boost your earnings. So the last tip I want to give you is these promo codes. I have not seen them give them out too often, but once in a while you might find promo codes, and it's difficult because it's not to find because they're not here in the menu, but at the bottom you can see there is something called redeem promo code. This is where you go here. So if you happen to come across a promo code, you can go here, you can put it in here and redeem it and then get the points like that. So it's not something you can use regularly compared to the others there, but I just want to mention because some people have asked me what this is about, where to find all that. So I just wanted to mention that also here. So overall, Branded Surveys is a really great service site. You could also see on these, for example, monthly leaderboard, that some people actually earn really good money there. And some even earn hundreds of dollars every single month. And that is because it in general pays quite well for the service. And then when you just keep being active, you get these bonuses also. And then potentially you also end up on the daily or the weekly or the monthly leaderboard and get some extra great rewards there. Then if you combine that with also then inviting friends, then you can earn also a little bit extra like that. So overall, then if you use all the options there, it is one of the higher paying service sites for sure if you live in the US, UK or Canada. So if you want to know even more, if you want to join, then I do have a full written tutorial on my website. I will leave a link below there so you can go there. At the top there, you can find the joining link so you can easily get started if you decide this is for you, if you have not joined yet. And if you're already a member, then I hope that this help you get some ideas to how to maximize your earnings. If you have any experiences with Branded Surveys yourself, also please feel free to share it in the comment below. It would be great to hear from you there, or if you have any questions or anything, I will reply to all comments there. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.